Hello everyone. Today we'll be talking about respiration. So the first thing that we should take care of is that there's a difference between breathing and respiration. Okay? Breathing is the process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. But when we talk about respiration, it is basically what we take in oxygen, we utilize the oxygen to release energy, and then the carbon dioxide inside our body is released out. So this process happens in the respiratory system. So this is what a respiratory system looks like. When we talk about this process, the first thing that we do is just breathe in. Okay, so now your body is filled with oxygen. All the air that you breathe in comes into your body through the nasal cavity. Now, through the windpipe, it moves down, moving into the bronchi, then into the bronchioles, and then finally into your lungs. Now, when we zoom into these lungs of yours, you see there are various branchings inside it. These branchings are secondary, tertiary, and the primary bronchioles. At the end of these bronchioles, you can find these sac-like structures which are known as the alveoli. Okay, so now to explain alveoli, just think of a balloon. Okay, when you see a balloon, it is shrinked, but when you blow air inside it, it becomes large. So this is what the structure of alveoli is like. It is like a balloon-like structure only. Now these alveoli, what they do is they have a very thin membrane of which they are made up of. Now this thin membrane, there is an exchange of gas that happens. Okay, there are various blood vessels that come to the alveoli, which means it is nicely vascularized. So there is an exchange of gases. The oxygen that you have breathed in, it goes into the blood, and the carbon dioxide from the blood, it comes back into the alveoli. Now once again, through the same pathway, the carbon dioxide comes out when we breathe out. So this was an idea about respiration. Now to talk a bit detail, so the first question comes, where does the carbon dioxide in our body come from? So think about it. There was a scientist known as J.S. Haldane. He was the first one to think or to discover that whenever the carbon dioxide level in your body is very high, your brain stimulates a message that it's time to breathe out carbon dioxide and you need to take in the oxygen. So what happens is, there are various processes going inside our body, like you run, you grow, you eat. So how are you able to do all this? You need energy for this, okay? And to get that energy, you eat food. We have seen the process of digestion. The food is broken down into smaller substances and glucose is produced. Now this glucose goes to all the parts of the body. Now what happens is, to gain energy from this glucose, we need oxygen. This oxygen and glucose react, there is oxidization of the food, which is basically what respiration is, and as a byproduct the carbon dioxide is released. Now this carbon dioxide is of no use for the body, so it has to be released out from the body. That's why we breathe out carbon dioxide. So this was the basic idea about the process of respiration. Thank you everyone, and please subscribe the channel for more such videos.